What is going on, guys? Welcome back to Trading Learning 101. Today's video I'm going to show you guys how to use ThinkorSwim on demand. If you don't know what it is, or if you don't know what ThinkorSwim is, if you're on YouTube, you'll see a lot of traders use ThinkorSwim. It's a trading platform by TD Ameritrade. It's absolutely free. All you have to do is open an account with TD Ameritrade, no money. Open the account, and then you'll get access to the ThinkorSwim platform. You'll be able to download it on your desktop, or you'll be able to get a mobile version of ThinkorSwim. And the really cool thing about ThinkorSwim is the on-demand feature. You get to go back in time and see how a stock traded on a specific date and time. So right now I'm looking at Uber on May 10th of 2019 when it IPO'd for its first day on the stock exchange. And this is what traders do. They go back in time and they study price action, they study charts, the times and sales, the level 2. It's all accurate. In the past, I've compared real-time level 2 that I've recorded and posted on YouTube to ThinkorSwim on demand. It is 100% accurate. Sure, on demand ThinkorSwim will have its flaws. There will be time it is laggy at times, but for the most part, it's great. And the only thing you'd have to remember is the specific dates of which stocks were popping off on that specific day. So how do you access the on-demand feature? All you simply do, once you load up your trading platform and you have it to the main screen, up at the top right, you'll see this on-demand. When you click on that, the on-demand will automatically open up for you. You'll have a little calendar tab right here. You can go back, from what I've seen, at least 10 years. So it's 2019. We can go all the way back to 2010. So the beginning of 2010 all the way up to current date 2009. So 9 years, which is pretty good. So let's say we wanted to look at IPO of, or a stock. Let's see. We'll look up Facebook's IPO date. Facebook opened on the stock exchange on May 18th of 2012. So let's go back in time to that. We'll type in FB for Facebook. We'll open up the history tab here. May 18th of 2012. And the time, let's go to noon. And there you are. See it loaded up May 18th, 2012, right at noon. You could go back more when it opened up at 11:30 if you wanted to. But this is what Facebook did on May 18th of 2012. Opening at 42.25, popping up to 45. And then look at all these long wicks right here. From 40, 50. This was, from what I've seen on Facebook, it was just a disaster of an IPO. But this is just to give you an example of what the ThinkorSwim on-demand feature can do. Again, you can open up ThinkorSwim for absolutely free. All you got to do is open up a TD Ameritrade account. Once you open up a TD Ameritrade account, then you can download the ThinkorSwim platform, have fun with it, and set it up the way you want it. I still use ThinkorSwim from time to time, even though I'm still using Street Smart Edge. This is a tool that you can use for your business to go back in time and see how stocks traded at certain price levels. I hope you all enjoyed the video. Make sure you guys smash that like button, and if you haven't already, subscribe to the channel. And until next time, everybody, have that patience, have that discipline, and study, study, study. Alright, everyone. Later.